adapting a simple remote such as this X10 remote, which is just a remote push button, light goes on, it transmits a signal. I've placed dual lock on the bottom here, and then in the opposite direction I'm going to place another piece of dual lock. Next I'm going to peel back the self-adhesive label and attach on the bottom. Next I'm going to take my torch, take the cap off. You notice how close I am getting the flame, the hottest part of the flame on the acrylic. And I would say about 10 seconds. Next I'm going to heat it and bend it until it doesn't bend any further. That's my first bend. And my second bend will be right here. I'm doing it on an angle so I do not burn my remote. Okay, now it bends over very nicely, nice and smooth here. The next thing I'm going to do before my acrylic cools down too much is I'm going to peel off a rubber bumper with a pair of scissors, holding it upside down. I'm going to line it up on top of the push button on my remote and the self-adhesive sticks. Now very little pressure needs to be applied to operate this remote.